I'm back here with my idiot friend. Yeah? You remember us from that one video to be idiots, right? Well, if you're wondering what the loud noise is, we're in a massive monster truck. Oh, you can see this. It's a beast. You chilling, eh? Don't! Send you a sticky car. Yeah, like we.
I love being a mess.
Whoa. This is the engine. It's very loud. To be clear, this is a 1970s Mercedes Unimog 417, which is like a beast, and it's holding an i6, like a straight six, one single turbo that produces around 30 psi. And now my whole family is sitting in there. We're going a bit off-roading. I don't know how the sound will come in during the video because, well, it's a bit loud. But until you hear the thing purr. By the way, look at this beautiful sky. And look at this little idiot. Wait. Little idiot. You're right. Imagine I just like I dropped my phone off here. That would be epic. Look at the side. Yeah. I don't know, like I said, I'm not so sure how the sound will come because because of my microphone I have. By the way, little fun thing about Salon. I actually exposed my living area.
He lives in the blue house.
By the way, there's a little cemetery there. A little cemetery there. If you, I don't know, like. As you can see there, people from like 1960s, 1900s were buried there. There's a beautiful view of it. It's like quite cold down there. Like, why the hell is my dad stopping? Then, well, so now I guess we're getting out of the thing. There's the little view of the cemetery. I think we're going in.
That's a cemetery, alright.
Okay, we just arrived here. There's the. Well, let me just give you guys a little view of the front. This is it. It's a Mercedes Unimog. I mean, the Mercedes logo. Get out of the shot. I mean, it's a Unimog.
Germany.
Alzheimer. I mean, it doesn't really say Mercedes somewhere, but it is a Mercedes. If you do not believe me. Even though it looks like a monster truck, like it looks like a monster truck, but it isn't. It's classified as a tractor. So that's actually crazy because like classified as a tractor is weird, but other older versions were definitely like bigger tractors. Okay. Yeah, here's a little whatchamacallit cemetery. Quite sharp ground. Wat doen jij?
20 jaar oud.
Via Moenie, je gaat via Moenie. Af daar, klim af.
Op die graf te staan.
Okay, now look at these little. By the way, I think this is like where a baby was buried. I'm pretty sure this is a baby. A baby. Yeah, this is like a 1-year-old baby that died. Little cemetery, it's cute. Look at that little thing! Excuse me. Here's more. Seep that in, by the way. Me and the homie here. Okay.
What?
And it's like quite cold down here actually. Like the wind like the wind like blowing through here is quite cooling.
Wag, ek wil gou net hierso check met hierdie cemetery, so ons moet net afgaan.
Okay, maar ek glo nie die mense kan verstaan wat ons sê nie, maar it's fine. We're just speaking native language. It's called Afrikaans.
Hier rus.
Afrikaans. Engels.
Here lies our great grandmother.
No,
Here lies.
it's Queen Elizabeth. Not joking, no, it's Catherine Elizabeth. The vet. Her place is empty. Her voice is quiet. We pray, oh Lord, it was your will. That's the clearest translation I could do. And I bought both of these nuts. Not joking. These are quite old, butter.
Check what I found it.
You can still hear music coming from the.
No, you know.
This guy really liked. This guy probably liked a lot of plants. This guy probably liked plants. Probably buried.
What? This one's saying.
Yeah. Hello. Well, it's obviously.
Okay.
Ja, moenie opklim nie.
Jan moet nie opklim nie. Klim af.
Jan,
Want dit ons doen.
Kom.
jy mag hier opstaan nie.
Want dit ons doen.
Maar nog steeds, jy mag
Dit
nie.
is jy mag nie. Jy disrespect hulle. Jy mag glad nie opklim nie.
We're going back up now. I think we're going now. I believe my parents are taking like forever probably. By the way, like I almost fell here in the previous clip. Like, ja, ek weet gaan ry.
Hey,
Ja, Andre, jy gaan my amper afstoot.
wait. Ek gaan agree. Nou, is dit op pig.
Ah, now that's a perfect way to sit down. We've got to help. Okay, nog 'n bietjie. Ooh, man. Oh, I want to sit on that thing. I want to sit on that.
Now there's a door.
Fire. Okay,
They didn't really say how they died.
this is how it looks inside, by the way.
As in, can I?
By the way, this is not how an original Unimog looks like. It's actually just like a custom one.
See, I'm confused.
Ja.
Gaan dit is van warm.
Nee. Nee, die exhaust van warm wees. Dis die exhaust pipe. Julle in. Look at our little suspension bits there. Fuel tank there sits the engine. Like there's a cooler right there. Oh, it's really hot down here. Skid plate, kinda, I guess. I don't know if they're sure. There's a bit of a look at the engine. Quite good looking. Oi! Jy het nie mooi nie. Look at that interior right there. Beautiful. It's quite real leather. And now, hold my phone, please. Don't do random. Whoop.
Got some feet.
No, not yet.
This is my only feet. Yeah, that's my only feet.
Lying, he doesn't have an OnlyFans.
I do have one.
Yeah, that's enough about. We're starting up again.
I felt like the truck was going down.
Bro, like, I forgot to record it, but like, we almost tipped in this thing. We were like basically 90 degrees sitting up. Okay, by the way, there's my feet pics.
He was lucky. He was on top. Mine, it was like a whole 100 degrees down. I was sitting.
He was hanging on for dear
My
life.
legs were here.
He was hanging on for dear life. Now I can hear it start up. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna edit it into.
My ass tickles. I mean, my asshole was making this.
My balls are vibrating.
Wait, let me go check on
Yeah.
My balls are vibrating.
Oh, look at that, it's a black cloud. Not being racist here.
We used to eat the slave these days. My friend.
Wait, no, you're gonna get us demonetized.
We use these stuff to make our crops grow.
No, you're gonna get me. Yonai, shut up.
Racist. It was just a bit of offensive joke. Sorry.
Your mom is racist. No, I'm joking.
Mom ain't racist. I'll beat your ass.
Then we're going a staggering 5 miles an hour. Oh, yeah, you're gonna.
Yeah! God, oh shit, the thing's up there.
Ah!
Stop.
Ah!
Get some out.
I really hope this does gather my fans' attention because, like, this is really fire content, people. If you don't believe me. Look at this. It looks like, oh my gosh. This is fun. I smell my breath. Yeah, like this is just another vlog video. Usually I post Call of Duty videos, but now I'm feeling not COD. Well, mostly because my COD I don't play anymore because like I quit for a bit. I'm playing a lot more Need for Speed now, but no.
Because I don't want to use bitch. Because I don't use TikTok.
Gay. My guy tried to wrist me up.
Hey, fuck me. Fuck me, please.
I'm a bitch.
He's gay. Think he's gay as a frick though, dog.
Hey, hey.
No! You're gonna get me demonetized and cancelled. Stop making drug jokes. I saw a snake. I saw a snake.
We live in South Africa. Marijuana is not illegal here.
No, it is. Oh, let's get.
Marijuana is not illegal in the South Africa.
We're going into some thick bushes.
I'm a hand of weed. I'm a hand.
My balls are tingling. Look at how tall these branches are.
I can't wait till your phone is like this.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a thing. It's like a water buffalo.
Oh, that's cool.
You can say in the message to your government, these buffalo herds have been decimating these weeds.
My grandpa's leg blew up.
Marijuana.
Oh my days! Look at how much vegetation there is.
I think we go.
I think we slipped the drive shaft. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Oh, my dad wanted to put it into lower gear, I think. Oh my days! Look at how tall this.
That's tall as me.
Look at how tall this vegetation is.
Hey, I'm gonna throw this rock and I'm gonna hope I hit someone in the head.
That's like
Hey, throw this rock, I hope I hit someone in the head.
Thanks. Bro, this is like 10 feet tall. Oh, that's my arm, sorry.
Why are you playing Call of Duty at this?
Oh, bro, having a ghillie suit in this would be perfect.
Just get a ghillie suit, get an airsoft sniper, and you can just smack away.
Quack, quack, quack.
Or get yourself
No.
a Barrett 50 cal, that will work well.
Yeah, get a Barrett. Feet? No, I'm joking, no. Anyways, please like and subscribe.
Hey,
I like-
not done with the video.
I know, I'm not even finishing the video. I'm just reminding the viewers to like and subscribe. I'm adding,
Punch, that's it. Hey, hey,
please.
ah! You took a hit with one thing.
Punching, Andre.
Hold on. Something smells like
What? Bro, we had an angle. We were at a 45 degrees angle. Not ankles, angle. What? Bro, I wish we could go through the bushes. Oh, this is fun. By the way, look at that beautiful view right there. Please consider subscribing, just saying, like for another time, because well, I need the money. I want a better gaming PC. I need it. Please. I need the money to feed my family. house. Watch out! Dog! The dog goes. Yeah, no, I ain't ugly with dogs. I love it, Vicky. Oh, we spy! We can spy on people. But it's not a spy because like people will find it weird. I heard kids shouting at me. By the way, this place right here is this guy's old house. This right here.
Hey, if you're coming to Salon and Sunday, the house right here is his.
Yeah, but-
his house and break his knees.
Imagine iemand doet het eigenlijk. Maar uit die 8 subscribers again. Deze van hen is mijn vrienden. Yeah, I mean that is if you can find where Sabi is.
Just go on Google Maps.
No!
That's Sabi. Go to Salon. Very easy.
But the thing is, Salon isn't on the map.
Hey, go to dog. You'll find dog on the map. The job is dog.
We,
You'll find it on the map.
yeah, you just go to New York in order to find my place. Good. Okay. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. Subscribe. We gotta get off. Okay. Anyways, niet Johanna, niet Johanna, niet alsjeblieft. Kom ons gaan niet. Okay. Okay. Goodbye, people. Enjoy your.